Aloha! I'm at Grand Hyatt Kauai, and I'm going to share with you my experience staying here and give you a tour of the hotel. Alright, let's go! Everyone receives a lei upon arrival. For parking, there is valet and self-parking available. Self-parking is included in the resort fee. Valet is $40. This oceanfront resort is located in Poipu on the south side of the island. It is a sprawling property that spans 50 acres. There are 602 guest rooms available here. We stayed in a room with one king bed. It has a marble bathroom with a walk-in shower and double sink vanity. The toilet has a bidet. The bath amenities are by Coco Mango line, which you can also purchase at the hotel spa. The closet includes a reusable tote bag, which comes in handy. There is a Nespresso coffee machine and 2 reusable aluminum water bottles. You can ask for additional water bottles if there are more than 2 people staying in the room. There are purified water stations scattered throughout the property to refill your bottle with. The room decor is a classic Hawaiian style. The sofa converts into a pull-out couch, and our 2 young kids both slept on that just fine. Each room has its own balcony. We originally booked a no-view or parking lot view room, but were upgraded to a full ocean view room with my globalist status. We were celebrating our 15-year anniversary, so they provided us with fresh pineapple and wine. If you decide to forego housekeeping on any particular day, you can hang this outside your door by 11 p.m. the night before, and you will get $10 credit for each stay that you skip. This credit can be used for any of the hotel dining or swimming tube rental. So the room key card is on a wristband, which I find helpful because I don't have to worry about misplacing it if I'm going swimming in the pools or if I'm walking around the property without my bag or pockets. You also scan the same wristband when you go to the club lounge. The pool area is definitely a highlight feature of the hotel. The pool area spans 5 acres with multiple pools and is open 24 hours a day. If you are not staying at the hotel and want to use the pools here, you can purchase a day pass. This large pool area is a little less than 4 feet deep. This pool area on the right side is 7.5 feet deep. This is a saltwater lagoon with a sandy bottom with its impressive 1.5 acre size. It is shallow in many parts, which is great for young kids. It does go up to 6 feet deep to further out you go in the lagoon. There is 2 pool area for adults only. This is the 150-foot water slide, which was even fun for me to go on as an adult. And there is a lazy river, which I wouldn't consider as a true lazy river as there is no current to carry you through the river, but you have to paddle yourself to move along. It is still enjoyable though. You can either rent a swimming tube at the hotel, or you can bring or buy your own float and they can pump it up for you. Or you may potentially find free floats that people pass on after they check out when they're done with their stay. There is direct beach access from the hotel to Shipwreck Beach. The waves are always strong here, so it isn't recommended to go swimming here, as there is no lifeguard on duty. Our kids just played in the sand here. There are a handful of shops in the resort. They also have their own photographer if you are interested in getting professional photos taken at the resort's beach. You can go to the Anara Spa for various spa treatments. They also have complimentary scheduled yoga classes, water aerobics, and guided sunrise walk. I wanted to try some classes but didn't get a chance to on this trip. The gym is open 24 hours. There are laundry machines here that are available to use for free. There are 3 laundry locations on property. They also provide complimentary laundry detergents and fabric softener. The hotel provides complimentary beach chairs and umbrellas to borrow, which was useful for us when we ventured out to other beaches on the island. If you are more of a resort type of person that wants to lounge at the resort all day, you will not get bored here, as there are many complimentary activities that the hotel offers. When you check in, they provide you with a copy of the week's scheduled events. There are a few activities that require advanced sign-up, such as lei making, ukulele lessons, and hula lessons. You can play tennis or pickleball. There are movie nights. There is koi fish feeding every day at 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. There are lawn games that you can play. There are arts and crafts sessions. The session that our kids went to was bracelet making. You can hike on the Maha'Ulepu Heritage Trail, which is accessible directly from the hotel and starts at Shipwreck Beach. You can see stunning ocean cliff views on the hike. It is considered an easy to moderate hike. We didn't get a chance to do that hike, but we did take a leisure stroll from the other end of the property, which still offered this beautiful view of the ocean.
So I'm walking over to the club lounge now to get some food. And you can get access to the club lounge by booking a room with the club access or applying an award with the Guest of Honor Award or Club Access Award, or if you're a globalist with their loyalty program. Let's check out what they have.
Each day of the week, there is a different scheduled entree for breakfast and hors d'oeuvres. Breakfast is from 6:30 to 10 o'clock a.m. All the breakfast items shown here so far remain the same each day. Only these 2 hot food items alternate daily. One day there was Portuguese sausage and scrambled egg, another day there was loco moco. And on another day there were pancakes, and you can add your own toppings of fruit compote, chocolate chips, and macadamia nuts. Snacks are from 12 to 4 p.m. Hors d'oeuvres is from 5 to 7 p.m. The food items on the central table remain the same each night. Tonight's special was teriyaki chicken skewers. I liked the skewers. I thought the chicken was tender and flavorful. Another night special was assorted dim sum with egg rolls, fried shumai, and fried dumplings. It was okay, nothing to write home about, but I could still fill up on it. There is a bar area where you can serve yourself alcoholic drinks. This is an additional charge, and it is an honor system where you fill out this form and place it in the basket. Desserts are from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. They typically have 3 items available, and the items are different nightly. The hotel has various dining options available at all different price points. Hale Nalu is a casual lunch spot by the pool area. You can order at the counter here or order while lounging on a pool chair. They also have a bar area that serves drinks. This restaurant serves breakfast and lunch. This restaurant serves dinner and has live music in the evenings. During the daytime, you can sit and relax here and take in the beautiful ocean view. There is a Honolulu Coffee Company area where you can buy coffee and light breakfast items. We used our housekeeping dining credit on acai bowls here. This is one of the resort's 2 upscale restaurants that serve dinner. Stevenson's Library is a sushi restaurant. The other high-end restaurant is Tide Pools, which specializes in steak and seafood. It has tables overlooking the koi pond. if you're interested in eating at either of these two restaurants, it is best to make reservations in advance. I tried making reservations to tide pools 2 weeks in advance and there were no time slots available left. However, when I looked again on the day of, a couple openings did come up. Here are my overall thoughts on the hotel. The rooms were clean, but can be a little better maintained. We actually had to move rooms after our first night because we found out that a pipe was leaking in a wall, so a part of the carpet was continuously soaked. However, their customer service makes up for this con. Anytime we called about any issue, they were very prompt in responding and getting the issue taken care of. We didn't make any fuss about needing to switch rooms, but they made a really nice gesture and left these Hawaiian snacks and another bottle of wine and pineapple in our room as an apology for us needing to switch rooms. Although every room may not have been perfectly maintained, I thought the common areas and pool area were immaculately maintained. If you are able to get access to the club lounge, that is worth it, especially if you are staying as a family. There were a couple nights that we ate the hors d'oeuvres as our dinner since we were too tired to venture out to eat at a real restaurant, and that was enough food to fill us up. We absolutely loved the pools and all of the amenities. We had an amazing stay here and would definitely stay here again.
So this is the view from the parking lot of the hotel. Have you stayed at Grand Hyatt Kauai before? What are your thoughts on the hotel? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.